Do you clean Airbnbs or investment properties before sale?
Yes, we regularly clean investment properties, rental homes, and short-term rentals like Airbnb that are going on the market. In fact, many of our clients are landlords or real estate agents who need fast, professional, and reliable presale cleaning in Melbourne for properties that have just been vacated, are being staged or photographed for sale, need a deep clean after tenancy ends. We understand the specific needs of investment properties, such as deep cleaning of all surfaces, walls, appliances, and carpets. Odor removal, smoke, pets, food, dampness. Dust removal from high areas, ceiling fans, air vents, cupboards, drawers, and storage area cleaning. We also clean, display homes, serviced apartments, multi-unit properties. Tip for landlords: a freshly cleaned investment property not only looks better in listings, it also sends a strong message to buyers that the home has been professionally managed and maintained. That translates to confidence and higher offers.